Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and we are beginning our celebration of our seasons of sharing here at the museum, and we are making stained glass ornaments using some really simple materials. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own stained glass ornaments at home.